Welcome to a tutorial on setting up a campaign on my.psycruit. It's a simple 5-step process, so carry on watching to learn more about how to set up a campaign. Users will be given access to my.psycruit once our administrators have granted access. Clicking on the Campaigns tab will take clients to a page where they can start a new campaign. Click on the Set Up a New Campaign button in the top right-hand corner. A campaign can be tailored to an advertised role by filling in the details of the campaign name, choosing a language, job title and job role. When filling out these fields, note that all the fields with an asterisk require an entry. The campaign name and job title are visible to candidates, so this should always reflect the advertised job role. Click Start to move on to step 2. Managing a campaign involves choosing a department the campaign is visible to, the client name and the end date of the campaign. There is an option to choose if a client allows a candidate to complete a test after a certain time frame. Click Next to move on to step 3. Candidates should be provided with a name and email address for someone in the client's organisation in order to contact for support or questions. The option for automatic registration and response emails is provided as default, but can be amended depending on the client's preferences. Click Next to move on to step 4. Now you can choose the assessments to include in your campaign. You can choose to build an assessment process from the psycruit testing library, use an assessment process you've used before, or choose a performance-powered assessment process from the marketplace. Most clients tend to use the first option, so we'll run through this in more detail. Click Next to choose your assessments. A client will typically have in mind the assessments they want to use for their campaigns, with there being a wide selection to choose from, including verbal, numerical and personality questionnaires. For this demo, we'll focus on these 3, but for more information on our other assessments, take a look at www.psycruit.com. Once you click on an assessment, there'll be a drop-down menu giving options for the level of ability a client is hiring for. Depending on the choice of assessment, there'll likely be a comparison group option, with the most common approach leaving this as default. This step can be repeated for numerical tests and personality questionnaires. It's up to a client how many assessments to choose from the psycruit testing library. Clicking Next will give a client the opportunity to review a campaign setup. Here clients have the option to play around with the advanced campaign settings, but we'll leave this for you to explore and adjust as you wish. Contact letterbox at criterion.co.uk for more information on these options. Once a client is happy and has clicked Publish, there's the option to choose how to invite candidates to participate in an online assessment. This can be through sending a quick link to candidates, bulk uploading through an Excel spreadsheet, or individually uploading each candidate. And that's it, just 5 simple steps to setting up a campaign.